Industry is entertaining a moment where every decision must happen in real time. Meeting that moment requires intelligence that lives where physical systems and digital insights converge. Lenovo's next-gen intelligent gateways bridge the gap between operational technology and smart systems. They bring connectivity and compute power modern enterprises demand, with the proven stability that mission-critical environments require. Powered by high-performance Intel Core processors, these rugged, fanless systems are engineered to run 24/7 in harsh environments. Tough enough for vibrating manufacturing factory floors, quiet enough for retail stores. This is always-on performance designed to protect uptime, speed decisions, and keep critical operations moving when failure isn't an option. With ThinkEdge SE30n Gen2, you can unleash AI at the edge. Run computer vision and machine learning models in real time. Process retail camera feeds and sensor data locally for faster detection and smarter responses without relying on the cloud. For dependable automation and continuous monitoring, the ThinkEdge SE10n Gen2 provides cost-effective, long-life reliability. Its compact design fits into spaces traditional systems can't reach, while providing consistent performance for your environment. Individually or together, the ThinkEdge SE30n and ThinkEdge SE10n form a scalable edge portfolio you can deploy anywhere, across transportation, logistics, and smart cities infrastructure. And backed by Lenovo's global network and long lifecycle commitment, these intelligent gateways are built to evolve and run for years, even in the world's most demanding environments. Lenovo ThinkEdge, industrial intelligence at the edge. Learn more at lenovo.com/ThinkEdge.
Lenovo.